Has Aramark made it difficult or refused to receive a certified letter that you mailed to them because you were canceling the automatic renewal clause or trying to send a letter of deficiencies or breach of contract letter? Well, this is something that's happening more and more. It's becoming more and more prevalent as this economy takes a turn for the worse. They don't want people to cancel, and they're making it more and more difficult to do so. So what do you do in that case? What can you do? What options you have available? Well, I always say after that, you want to send that same cancellation letter as an email, apprising them of the situation, saying, hey, I just got this letter back and it was unclaimed, or you guys refused delivery. What's the deal? Get them to respond, or at least send a couple of emails to them if they're not responding, and print those emails out and send them to your original letter that was refused, your certified letter that was refused. Another thing you can do is have the driver, when he comes, make out a little agreement and have him sign for it, basically saying that he's receiving that cancellation letter, and give it to him. And then if you want to go further, then take a copy of that video in your premises where he's signing for it, and then you can you have a record that he actually signed for it. And so you want to make sure this is absolutely imperative, because here's what I can tell you, that in 50% of the arbitration cases that Aramark has, that they win over 50% of their cases simply because the business did not send a certified letter, because that is mandated in the contract, and nobody, not even the CEO of Aramark, can do that. They cannot. It says, Aramark agreement says this agreement can only be amended in writing, signed by such general manager. And so it can't. So it doesn't matter if the President of the United States or if the CEO of Aramark says, yeah, don't worry, I'll go ahead and accept service via email. It does not count. It does not count. When you get to arbitration, that judge is going to, or that arbitrator is going to want to see a copy of the certified letter that was delivered. Now, if you show a pattern of them not wanting to receive it, not wanting to deliver it, if you show you've tried multiple attempts to do it, that definitely would help you. Even try this, go down to the local Aramark office and hand deliver it and have them sign for it. That's what I would do. It's extremely important, guys, because most people lose their cases when they go to arbitration because of that. So like, subscribe, share it with your business partners. That's what I do. I help people. If you want a consultation, send me a copy of your contract and your email. Call me up. Copy of your agreement and an invoice, and then let's talk about it. The first consultation is always free. Okay, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.